A 53-year-old female patient present with epigastric pain and nausea. Chest X-ray reveals cardiomegaly, indicative of a hypertrophic heart. You can appreciate it very clearly that it is hypertrophic heart. And after doing ECG finding demonstrate T-wave inversion in lead V3 and V4. In the leads V3 and V4, you can see here the T-wave inversion. And after following comprehensive evaluation and investigation, the diagnosis of myocardial ischemia is confirmed. So this is in a chest X-ray of 70-year-old patient. He is having COPD and upper respiratory tract infection with severe anemia. Also, he is having tubercular pneumonia with core pulmonary and severe iron deficiency anemia with chronic lung disease as well as chronic kidney disease. So in the X-ray you can appreciate it well, the hyperinflated lung and tubular shaped heart, and there is a history of chronic smoking of that patient, so it is in COPD of course. And ECG of this patient shows sinus tachycardia. This ECG interpret about the ST depression, and you can see here, and AVR V4, V5, V6 abnormal T wave. Now this is another X-ray interpretation of 67-year-old female patient, and she's having post-tubercular history. And now you can see here in the right side of the upper quadrant and also the middle quadrant, you can appreciate here the fibrosis. So she is the case of post-tubercular tuberculosis. Now you can also see here the patient of 70-year-old man. He is having chronic hypertension. He is also having ventricular hypertrophy. It is cardiomegaly and hypertrophic heart. So you can appreciate well that in the left side the meniscus is lost. Okay. Then in the right side also there is some portion like you can see the knuckle also. In the old patient, the knuckle is usually we can see that it is hypertrophic. So and the hypertensive patient. So we can see here and appreciate well the hypertrophic heart. Okay, so this is a patient of ascites, and he has a mild ascites, and he is in the X-ray there is no abnormality found, so it is normal. So you can see here the normal X-ray here. So here you can see in the X-ray there is clavicle both side, trachea in between, and आप देख सकते हैं lungs field ज़्यादा ना opacity है ना ज़्यादा dark shadow है, so it is normal. And right atrium is there, left ventricle is there, so heart is normal in shape, and there is costocardio angle is also there, so you can see here. एंड कॉस्टोफ्रेनिक एंगल इज़ डिफरेंट. तो कॉस्टोफ्रेनिक एंगल आप देखोगे राइट साइड का ऊपर है ड्यू टू लिवर प्रेशर डालता है तो उसकी वजह से ये ऊपर रहता है, जबकि जो लेफ़्ट साइड का देखोगे तो वो हमेशा नीचे रहेगा. तो अगर कोई भी एबनॉर्मलिटी होती है तो वो जो लेफ़्ट वाला है वो नीचे ज़्यादा हो जाता है, तो फिर हम देख सकते हैं कि ये नॉर्मल साइड है. और देर इज़ एओर्टिक नोब, जैसा आपने कहा कि एजिंग की वजह से जो एओर्टिक नोब जिसको हम एओर्टिक नकल भी बोलते हैं वो जो है वो ज़्यादा रेज हो जाती है, तो वो इट इज़ नॉर्मल इन ओल्ड पेशेंट बट इट इज़ एबनॉर्मल इन यंग पेशेंट. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो सी दिस.